Welcome to Target the Trade. This is Fed Ray's Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and today we're breaking down a trade that everyone is talking about. But first, make sure to like, subscribe, and do share, especially if you find value in this presentation. Okay, so what is the buzz? What is everyone talking about? Ba-bam, it's Bitcoin once again. And Bitcoin is what we call has gone through the cycle. So those of you who have watched my videos will know that I've compared Bitcoin to what the .com looked like towards the mid-90s, towards the end of the 90s and going into 2000. And basically, if you haven't seen it, I'm just going to recap it really quickly here, is that at the expansion of the internet, okay, when it was first introduced back in the day, all right, towards 92, 93, markets didn't know what to do with it. It only started taking, interest in the vast market towards 95 and moving forward. And that is what happened to the markets. Nobody knew how to value these companies. So you had companies like Yahoo, eBay, that were just like flying. And you had these really small starters, okay, that also were just flying. Okay, there were dollar stocks that went to hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and then came the bust. Okay, and I'm talking about even mega companies today, like Amazon, was trading at a few $100s, okay, at one point. Even less than that. I mean, if you look into, the initial parts of it, it was trading at $20. I remember it trading at $20 a share. And then it went to about $400 or $500. And then the bust came, and it went back to $7, okay, believe it or not. Now, that is very similar to what happened to Bitcoin. Bitcoin started about 13, 14 years ago. I became introduced to it about 11 years ago when I first joined CMTrading, and it went from about $20 to about $100 to $300. And I said, whoa, this thing is way overvalued. And sure enough, a few years later, it jumps to $1,000, right? And then the rest is history, going all the way up to 66,000 only 3 years ago. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart. All right, this is a weekly chart. This gives us a perspective of where it was. I mean, this is around the $3,000 mark, okay, even less than that. And then we went all the way up to $66,000, okay? And we tested that high once again, made just briefly a higher high, and then we crashed. And we crashed to about 16,000. Now we've made a comeback. This is where we're at. We're at 71,000-ish level right now for June 5th, 2024. And the question is what's happening next, okay? And this is my focal point, and this is what I want to really concentrate on. This is a daily chart. Okay, so this is that congestion towards the upper range between 68,000 and 70-ish thousand. Now, why am I highlighting this? If you look, the volume is actually perking up. That perking up is showing some interest towards that consolidation. And it may be, okay, since we've had some failed attempts pushing above 70,000, that this will be a time where we may actually break out. Okay, so keep this in mind, and that's why it's target the trade, because you want to see it first coming out. Now, it's more of a market action than as opposed to a technical analysis trade, which means that you're looking at price, you're looking at volume, you're looking at things that are going quickly. And those type of traders that are able to trade market action, that are looking for those, gap ups or those, kind of very specific opportunities where the market is just going very quickly and want to go in and out, scalping your way up as this is breaking out, this may come out to be a really great trade. So that's what made it to target the trade this week. Hope you'll take a look at it. We'll see you here next time on Target the Trade.